Getting this error when opening an Excel file, it says the file extension is not valid and the file just won't open. This is one of those issues that can really catch you off guard. Maybe it's an important work file, a report you've been working on for hours, or even data you urgently need to access. And suddenly you try clicking it again, restarting Excel, but nothing works. And the worst part is, you don't even know what caused the problem. In most cases, it's either a file format issue, permission problem, or the file itself might be corrupted. But don't worry, there are a few practical ways you can try to fix this. Fix 1. Change file extension. First, try renaming the file extension. Right-click the file, choose rename, and make sure it ends with .xlsx. Sometimes the file itself is fine, but the extension is incorrect. Fix 2. Open and repair. You can also try Excel's built-in open and repair feature. Open Excel, click File, then Open, select your file, then click the arrow next to Open and choose Open and Repair. This can fix minor file issues automatically. Fix 3. Check file permissions. If the file still won't open, it could be a permission issue. Right-click the file, go to Properties, and make sure your account has access. Sometimes Windows blocks files downloaded from the internet, which can cause this error. Fix 4. Restore previous version. This is something I've seen a lot of people mention in forums and discussions. If none of the other fixes work, you can try restoring an earlier version of the file. Right-click your Excel file, click Show More options, then go to Version History or Restore Previous Versions. Choose a version from a time when the file was still working and click Restore. Then try opening it again. Just keep in mind, you might lose any changes made after that version, so if your latest edits are important, you may want to try other methods first. Fix 5. 4DDIG file repair. If none of the manual fixes worked, there's a good chance the file is actually corrupted. And when a file is corrupted, basic fixes usually won't be enough. In situations like this, using a dedicated repair tool tends to be a much more reliable option. I tried using 4DDIG file repair for this kind of issue. What it does is scan the file structure and repair the damaged parts automatically. You simply import the Excel file, click repair, and then export the fixed version. Here's the original file that couldn't be opened, and here's the repaired version. As you can see, it opens normally again and the data is accessible. What makes this approach useful is that you don't have to manually troubleshoot the file. It's especially helpful when the file is seriously damaged or when you don't know what exactly went wrong. After applying one of these methods, your Excel file should open without that error. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you. If you're still having issues, feel free to share your situations in the comments and let me know which method worked best for you or if you found another solution. Thank you.